Hey, what's up you guys, it's Lily, and today I'm going to be showing you guys all of the beautiful slimes that are going to be in my 2-3-18 restock. The first slime in this restock is Mango Sorbet, and this is a super kind of thick cloud slime. It isn't really drizzly and it really isn't a cloud cream. I'd say it's a sorbet slime. It's like really thick, has the most amazing sizzles, and it has some really amazing bubble pops. The next slime in this restock, backed by popular demand, was Cocoa Puffs, and this is a super beautiful foam. It smells just like the chocolate cereal, and it has some white foam beads in it to give it some crunch and some texture, and it has a beautifully thick cream cheese-like base. Another slime in this restock is Mango Ice Cream, and I'm in love with this slime because it is a super thick cloud dough. It has the most amazing ice cream scent. It's like a very sweet candied mango, and it has some amazing drizzles. Next up, we have Frosted Animal Crackers, and this is a beautiful thick cream cheese based slime with a bunch of white beads, rainbow foam beads, and some specifically picked jumbo rainbow foam beads. I think there's pink, blue, and yellow, and this gives it just a really nice crunch to it, and it is scented kind of like a cinnamony shortbread cookie. Another one of my Valentine's limited edition slimes are Heart of Rose, and this is a beautiful rose gold pink colored slime, and it is actually pigmented, so it has a really nice shade shift to it from the gold to a kind of bright pink, and it is unscented for any of you who are curious. None of my clear slimes are scented because I want to make sure that they stay clear, and it is a super thick clear slime, and it has a beautiful shift to it. I'm literally in love with it. Next up, we have Cupid's Bow, and this is a super thick cream cheese based slime, and it has some jumbo and smaller pink foam beads in it. And this slime and any of my Valentine's Day slimes come with a Valentine's Day themed charm, so that is super cool. And this slime is scented like a chocolate pastry. So this is definitely a new addition to my shop that I was really proud of. This is a no glue and no borax slime, and it is a super thick butter texture. If you've ever seen whipped cream cheese and that like grainy texture it has, that is what I was going for here. So when you pull it and you stretch it, it has that super weird grainy texture to it, and I fell in love with it, and it's so amazing and sizzly. And I love it because the sprinkles just add some of the cutest touches, and I only have I think 1 or 2 of these in stock because I didn't have enough supplies for a whole large stock of them. And next we have cereal milk, and this is obviously inspired by Parakeet Slimes, and I think she got the idea from OG Slimes or Snoop Slimes. I'm not sure. Definitely, if you want to, feel free to let me know in the comments below. But this is a super thick and super glossy slime. I'm thinking about doing a tutorial on this, so guys, let me know if you want to see that because I'm literally loving this. But it has a super thick texture and it is scented like Fruit Loops. So one of the new additions to my shop is called Margarita Friday, and I'm loving this. I'm not promoting underage drinking. Please don't drink if you're under 21 or while you're driving, even if you are of age. Don't. I love the concept of this because every Friday I get together with a bunch of family members and we all go out to eat. And the adults obviously get margaritas and we call it Margarita Fridays. So yeah, I don't drink margaritas, just so you know. I am not old enough. But this is a beautiful lime green colored slime, and when you get this, it actually won't be completely clear because it is a super thick icy slime. And I ended up adding some white paint to it, so it'll be a little bit of a yellowy color, but I really liked it. I love the way it turned out. And this is unscented for any of you who are curious. One of my other limited edition slimes for Valentine's Day is called Chocolate Love Potion, and I'm literally loving this slime. It is such a thick cloud cream, and it has some foam balls in it that I think they're pink and red, and this is scented like a chocolate kind of dough. I don't know how to explain it, but it is such an amazing scent, and oh my god, I'm just like thinking about it, and I'm triggered, honestly, shook. But it is a super thick cloud dough, and I'm loving it. I know I've already said that, but I'm just so in love, and it's so much fun to scoop out of the container. I would recommend getting this in a bigger size because it's really hard to like gauge the texture when you have it in that small size. But I would definitely recommend getting this from my shop if you can get anything. And lastly, we've had my best seller for actually, I think, a week now. I've literally sold out of this and I keep having to remake it. This is my honeycomb cubes, and this is a jelly cube slime. It is a beautiful honey color, kind of an orangey colored base, and it is a clear slime, and it has some really crunchy cubes in it. They're not the ones that you can crush up and dissolve, but they are really fun to squish. Anyways, if you guys like the video, then give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to see more cool testing videos, restocking videos, challenges, whatever else you want to see from me, and hit that notification bell down below if you want to be entered in my giveaway, which, by the way, I'm having a giveaway. The rules are on my underrated and famous slime shop review, so go check that out. All of the rules are over there, and make sure to comment down below what your favorite slime from this video was. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next week. Bye!